Hey, welcome to the channel. My name is Noy, and we're going to discuss how contractors can not only improve their quality and quantity of leads, but how you can also, as a contractor, become more profitable, so much so that you can actually help expand your business, right? Many contractors are busy, right? Mainly because you take any job that you can get. Now, what happens then is that you get into a very chaotic cycle and you don't really have much time to expand your business, let alone, search for, train, hire new employees. And even when you do hire new employees, they end up leaving because they don't want to learn how to do 20 different things, so it's very unstable, etc., etc. But when you have a consistent flow of the 1 to 3 types of projects that you do want to have, you'll be able to streamline your processes, more easily look for, hire, and train your employees, and they'll stay. And your business won't rely on you so much. So what matters? Are you making money? Are you streamlined enough to train and retain your employees? Can the business keep running on its own? And of course, can you eventually sell the business to retire? Please subscribe, and we're going to be posting videos about how to strategize to focus on expanding your business through Facebook and Instagram ads, along with the funnels to make sure you're capturing all of your audiences. Thank you. Look forward to seeing you guys.